탈도 일렉해양 마시네 파도 찍다듬에 탈도 일렉해양 마시네 야마직 다들 parang nandito nga simba pirtu tumana ko lang kakasukang netandanya minsan never.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I feel like I'm making this vlog after so many months. I don't know, but I feel like it's been after so many months. Yeah. And today I thought to make a day in my life vlog. What I do usually, I thought to do. Right now I'm doing internship, so I think, yeah, I thought to just make that vlog. I'll go internship today, and today is Monday, and I woke up so early. I usually don't, but nowadays I have to because internship starts so early, so I have to get up so early. And also I'm traveling from bus. Yeah, and I'm traveling from bus, and I thought to show you guys. How I travel through bus. Guys, we just lost our cats. That's one of my friend's cat, and we just lost, and we're searching. He's intense. Look at this. Ta-da! Guys, I'm going to get ready right now, and my friends is making breakfast, and also I'm going to take a lunch. I'm going to take lunch also there. Guys, I'll get ready right now, and I will show you how I get ready. Actually, I don't have any specific to show about how I get ready because I don't do much things. Yeah, I will show you. Ha ha ha. First, I'll change the clothes. Of course, we have to wear this. We have to wear salwar and kameez. We have to wear we have to wear kurta. Look at my hair. I'm done with outfit today. So simple, so basic. Yeah, where I'm doing internship right now. In there, we can't take phone inside. We can't carry any gadgets inside. If you want to talk urgent call, you have to carry only the mobile. Only that short one, not skin touch one. That one you have to take. So let me show you my outfit. I need to wear shoes when I go to the internship. It's compulsory, it's mandatory to wear the shoes. If first day when I go to internship, I wear this silver and dupatta kurti. I went like this, and but I wear slipper, and they told to wear shoes from tomorrow. Also, we can't carry any gadget inside. We can't carry any phone. We can't carry any laptop. I'm so sleepy today. Look at my eyes. For like 3 days, I could not sleep well. I was so busy, so busy. Okay. This is so refreshing. I like serum. Whenever I apply serum, I feel so refreshing. Guys, nowadays I'm eating very healthy food. Healthy in the sense I'm eating proper foods, and I'm very confident about that. I don't eat junk food much. I do eat, but it's not like that much like I used to eat. So yeah, I want to share you that I don't eat junk much nowadays. Yeah, I'm so happy with that, and I want to continue with doing those things. And yeah, that's it. Today I don't want to apply that much things because I have to travel, and if I apply so much on my face, I think it will stick dusty. All the dust will stick in my face. So I want to go with thin. So today I'll not apply much like cream. Only moisturize, toner, sunscreen is a must. You have to apply. I like moisturize also. Moisturize make me feel so hydrated whenever I apply. And I'm not really good in speaking English because I hate English honestly. I do speak in English, not that much well, but I can manage. And my grammar, don't even talk. Here, we have to apply so much. It's fine to apply that much. I don't know why. Okay, let's not record this. Look at my face, so much glow. Let's do my favorite part, lipstick. Lipstick is my favorite part that I can wear easily anytime, anywhere. Usually I wear brown tie. It's fine. I like this lip gloss. Look at this. So I almost finished it. Also, this brush is so nice. It's easy to apply like this. Okay, I'll apply a blush because blush makes me feel like I am alive. Blush makes me feel my face has some color. If I didn't apply blush, I feel like I'm that person. So much? No, it's not so much. See? Look at the glow, guys. Look at this. I love it. I love it. I love it. Guys, it's tomato juice. Just kidding, it's papaya juice. Hey, before you eat breakfast, have this.
Meeting argument is that the person they call me put in the I mean, I say DC realize.
Bogala sembocado cabo que mucho gachine nam song ota chocho keranga bome something to me now kerang tumbo
This class 가져.
ineko kamkaki matelasha kapshitanga ke chesha ilami wana kasha
新高的店的，第二店的这已经点进去了。
Salak tu tamba sukame kale mache sene
Yağala da mimman düştü. Bir bara pasta bu diyor da. Internship and it's 1:50. Now we're going back. We are going back.
kerang mashi
Meeting.
kerang mashi
My heart looks so big.
man tartu kerang mashi patu chikta de man tartu kerang mashi Yeah, magic daddy. Parang di ko ngising bakit titiba na ko lang kakasukang netandanya. Minsan never fool. Charity shot di jimog di kalay tetane. Tukay ka nilang gagatulak kachine. Curl machine man.
Back Zamba. Today we are having Zamba, kapse, bajaji, and Americans. Thank you. Wow. 차별제 뒤에 Zamba saying. 对，觉得 Zamba saying 可以通常听不到的。Zamba saying, kapse saying. Guys, I'm going to apply some oil on my hair. My friend is applying oil for me, and after that, we're going on a walk.
Hadi düğme Nereye gittin?
Orange, orange. Strawberry. Guys, I'm going to end this vlog, and I hope you enjoy my mini vlog. Yeah, and that's it for today. Bye.